Hey, what's up, everybody? So we're going to do a little more in-depth analysis here really quick on Euro USD because I think we're at a big reversal point in this market. So if we zoom out here to the weekly chart, you can see we're trading in this massive head and shoulders that just kind of trailed off here into range oblivion in the past couple years. But you can see, especially it's really apparent from the weekly chart here that we've turned to the upside. So it's so important that you're looking at multiple time frames so you can really get a good idea of what's happening in the market. So like, in other words, had this continued lower, right, we would have seen more of the RSI pointing downward here, and we would have seen a complete break of this this kind of support and resistance zone here that's kind of been diagonal. It goes a little slanted down in the market, but you can see a clear move down and a nice move upward. So the problem here is that we've had quite a few false starts on the euro, so something to keep in mind. But just like I pointed out in that overall view, we've changed directions from a clear down a descending wedge is what this is. We have divergence down here in the RSI. I'm pointing upward, so it's not necessarily going to be a smooth transition. We have some big euro data on Thursday, I believe. So that's going to be a big market mover. But the fact is that as long as we're holding up above this wedge, which also comes in at 1080 here, I remain pretty bullish and going to be looking to buy dips on euro versus the dollar. So just to add to this, to get some long-term targets, is if we take our Fibonacci from the top here, and the 23.6 comes in right here at 112.80. So a couple hundred pips up. I think this 38.2 is a very good target, which is 115. We just need to get some momentum here in this market. And the thing is, if we cross back below this 110.80, that'd be a bit of a false breakout here, which could lead to a bigger move lower. And I hope that doesn't happen, because then we're going to be trapped in this back and forth. But, throughout, we're just waiting for some clear momentum for the euro. It typically happens fast, like this move that broke out here a couple weeks ago was a very fast move on the euro, and we just need to make another high here to really confirm that this reversal is underway and really just quit retesting this wedge altogether. And if we can kind of start to make our way and step our way higher, then you can really start to position yourself with some good entries. And to be honest, this is a real good buying point where we're at now. In our VIP group, we're already have some long positions in from 111.15, and I'm probably going to add to that position sometime tonight, but most likely during the New York session tomorrow. But 115 is a good long medium-term target, and 117 to even 119, 61.8 potentially. That may be a bit of a stretch, but I think this in between this zone here is very good, especially this 50% retracement at 117. So that's going to be a very good target. We just need a little bit of a lift off here in the euro. So I'm going to keep you all updated. And I hope you found this video helpful, because it's kind of like, man, what do I do here with the euro? And the dollar's in a bit of a flux right now. So definitely one to watch, and definitely one to position for, a long-term swing trade to hold for, because we could be going into March and April and closing out the quarter trading up here, 117 level. So it has a lot to do with a lot of news that's coming out. Donald Trump, it's 2020, it's never a dull moment, but really technically it appears like to me that we've reversed in this market. So definitely want to watch, definitely want to capitalize off this reversal. So hope you found this video helpful. Click the links below for more information. Please give this video a thumbs up, and so I can see people watching them, and then I'll continue to add a little more value as much as I can for free. So that being said, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the VIP chat room. Peace.